Dear viewers, good morning to everybody. Please enjoy my video on brinjal production in rooftop garden. You can see here that 5 brinjal seedlings were transplanted in a medium size soil containing tub during the month of December, and now in the first week of March we are harvesting brinjals from this plant. This is a local variety, and you can see here that all the plants are healthy, have well developed branching system, and are producing fruits. So in this way you can also produce brinjals in your rooftop garden by following this simple technique. By following this technique, you can not only will be able to produce brinjals in your rooftop garden, you will be able to enjoy the aesthetic beauty of your rooftop garden as well. Thank you.